Hey guys, Kendall here from Kendall's Garden. Today we have a quick tip for you guys about trellising cucumbers. So we were able to drive our post and then we put up our cattle wire. However, if you do have pig wire, that works just as well. By doing this, we're able to get the cucumber plants up off the ground so they stay nice and clean, disease free, and they're able to run up the wire instead of all around the field. And so yeah, it's really easy. Once the cucumbers come in, it'll be really easy to go by and pick them. And that's our quick tip for today.